Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage space in Google Chat on PC. So it's super simple. Okay, you are just going to open the Google Chat apps or your Gmail account, and you can select the space that you want to manage. And at the top, next to the space name, you can click down arrows and select manage member. So you can manage a member here, and you can see for the member added and member invited, and you can set the member as a space manager, and you can see for the space detail here, and you can edit here. Alright, so that's how you can manage space settings in Google Chat on PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.